yung AKOP na tinatawag natin is nire-require po namin or ng SSS ang mga existing na pensioners po natin na mag-report po yearly para po i-ensure natin na eligible pa po sila to receive their pension benefit. So who are required to report for AKOP? So yung existing policy po namin, yung mga retirement pensioners natin residing abroad, total disability pensioners natin, death or survivor pensioners, and the dependent children are under guardianship are required to comply for AKOP. So dito dun sa update po natin, come March 2024, retirement pensioners residing in the Philippines who are 80 years old and above are already required to report for AKOP. So, effective March 2024, kailangan mag-report na rin po itong mga pensioners natin na residing in the Philippines na retirees na 80 years old and above.